Ever wondered about the quirky inhabitants of Antarctica? Penguins, the flightless birds of the icy continent, are truly fascinating creatures. Despite their inability to fly, penguins are exceptional swimmers, using their flippers to navigate through the frigid waters with incredible agility. These social birds form tight-knit communities, relying on teamwork to survive in the harsh environment. From the adorable emperor penguins to the speedy genta penguins, each species has unique characteristics that make them stand out. With their distinctive waddling walk and comical antics, penguins never fail to capture our hearts. So next time you think about flightless birds, remember the resilient and charming penguins of Antarctica, masters of the ice and sea.